Hello and welcome back to our English learning series. Today we have a new story for you. Are you ready to practice? Let's begin. It is a quiet Saturday afternoon and I'm sitting in a small cafe near the river. The sun is shining softly and people are moving slowly, enjoying their free time. Right now, I am observing everything around me and the scene is changing little by little. A young barista is standing behind the counter. She is preparing coffee with great care and she is smiling while she is working. Steam is rising from the machine and the cups are warming her hands. She is clearly focused on her task even though the cafe is getting busier. Near the window, two friends are talking. They are leaning toward each other because they are sharing a story. One of them is laughing while the other is listening carefully. They are catching up after a long time, and their voices are filling the space with warmth. I can see that they are enjoying this moment and not worrying about anything else. Outside, people are walking along the river path. A man is jogging slowly and he is breathing deeply. A couple is holding hands and looking at the water. They are taking their time, not rushing anywhere. A street musician is playing a soft melody and a small crowd is forming around him. Some people are recording videos while others are simply listening. Back inside the cafe, I am sipping my drink and feeling relaxed. I'm getting used to the calm atmosphere and my thoughts are becoming quieter. I am noticing how everyone is doing something different, yet we are all sharing the same space. The cafe is not just a place to drink coffee, it is a place where life is happening in small, beautiful moments. As I am sitting there, I realize something important. Life is not always about big events. Right now, it is about simple actions. People are talking, walking, working, and resting. And at this moment, I am enjoying it all, just as it is happening. Now, let's review the new words and phrases. New words: observing, looking at something carefully to notice details. Barista, a person who makes coffee in a cafe. Sipping, drinking slowly, little by little. Atmosphere, the feeling or mood of a place. Rushing, moving or doing something very quickly. New phrases. Catching up, talking to someone to share news and find out what has happened since you last met. Taking their time, doing something slowly without hurrying. Voices are filling the space with warmth. People are talking in a way that makes the place feel friendly and cozy. Getting used to, becoming comfortable with something new or different. Forming around, gathering together around someone or something. Great job listening. You learn new words. Listen again to remember more. See you next time. Please subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you.